Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make PDF from images without any app. You have to use a Drive app, which is an inbuilt app. So basically you have to use this in Drive app. We are not going to use any third-party application. We are going to use the inbuilt app. Just open Drive app, and if you want to make a PDF, just tap on this plus button, and now you have to open or click on or tap on this Google Docs. And if you want to scan images, if you have a document and if you want to make a PDF of that, you can also make by click on this scan button. It will directly create your PDF. You don't have to upload any images. But if you have images in your mobile, you just need to tap on Google Docs. Here you just need to tap on add button and click on images and click on from photos. Now you just need to upload your images. As you can see, I got these two images here. And now if you want to make a PDF of this, you just need to tap on this three dot. Now click on share and export. Now click on save as. Let me again go to share and export. Now click on save and as a. Now you just need to tap on this PDF format. Just tap on and boom, we have created our PDF of the images. As you can see, this is a PDF. Now if you want to download, you can download by tapping on this download button. It will ask you to open any browser to download. And your PDF will be downloaded here. Just tap on it to open with Drive PDF, and your PDF will be open here. As you can see, there will be no compromise with the quality and the resolution of the PDF. It's completely a HD one. Hope you like it. That's how you can create it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.